and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vash, and shout out to the VASHINE Squad. What's going on? I hope all is well with you guys. And today, y'all already know, it's another ball on a budget wig series, okay? If you guys are new to my channel, please join the VASHINE Squad. Hit that subscribe button down below and set that notification gang so you can never ever miss out on scrumptious goodies with your girl. So today, of course, I was like, you know what? Summertime is here. It's about that time to get you a nice little bob, and I mean an affordable one at that. So let's get into this unit that I love oh so much. I actually bought it about a month ago, and like I told you guys before, if you guys see me on my social media with different wigs and you guys are like, hey Vash, what's that? I'm really trying to fill them out before I give you guys an initial review to let you know if it's really a go or a no. But this one right here is one of my favorites. I don't often do bobs. I haven't had a bob since like 2014, 2015. That was back when I used to make my own like U-part units. But this right here, honey, okay, this right here, you have to have it. I feel like if you are a wig lover, you buy wigs all the time like myself, then this is a unit that you need to have into your repertoire of wigs. Like, it's just it's really needed. I really do feel like you have to have a bob wig, an easy, low maintenance kind of wig. So let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so this wig here is by Model. It is a deep invisible part wig. It's not a lace front, but it has that hand tied part closure thingy majig, so you don't have to worry about cutting off any lace. But this is in the style jewel, and I got it in a number 2. Like, yeah, a month ago I decided to go back on Ebony line, purchase some more wigs. I bought 3 units. Don't know if I'll be doing a review on one of them because yeah, it's a horrible crappy ass wig. But anywho, that's beside the point. So I actually bought 2 wigs, and I was looking for a bob wig, y'all. I just feel like I don't really get the best of luck when it comes to wigs because anytime when I do, I just can never get my hand on the one I initially want. But you know, with me being who I am, I can really style these wigs into anything and make them look good. So this wig in particular, I was kind of looking for a Yara, but every wig company had it sold out in either color 1, 1B, or 2. I don't really like bobs with colors just yet because y'all know I'm really scared to try colors. And for 2, I don't know. I just feel like a bob is just always better looking and sleek when it's in a your natural hair color. So I couldn't get Yara anywhere, so I just gave up and I just bought the 2 units. Then I started to do a little bit more research on YouTube, and then I came across this one. I saw a girl, she was rocking it, and I was like, sis, give me more tea. So I purchased those 2 units on Saturday. I remember emailing them on Sunday. Somebody got back to me. Shout out to Juanita. She's actually one of the people I work with from Ebony line. And yeah, it was just like, she was like, hit me up on Monday and I could edit your order and we could ship that out, you know, with the other ways that you purchased. And I was like, okay sis, thank you. And when she did that and I got this wig, y'all, I'm really in love. Like, this is really one of my favorite wigs. Actually, guys, I washed it and it still got that body. Bob got more body than your bitch. Hey, Bob got more body than your bitch. Hey, like, it just got body. Like, it's beautiful. I love it. And even though this is not a lace front, you can tell the line of demarcation. However, you know, it's really not that noticeable if you just slick a little cute little baby hairs of yours and swoop it under, you know, plop your little concealer on there or powder, and you're good. Like, you're really, really good. And this wig retailed for $21.99. Y'all know I love me wigs like that, okay? Something really nice, cheap, and sleek. And yeah, it's really one of the low maintenance wigs that I've ever owned. The only thing is when they come with this kind of closure, you will have to manipulate it. That means like tweezing, plucking, all that good stuff for you to get that nice parting that you want. But it is not being stingy with the parting, y'all, and y'all know I love me some wigs with that nice beautiful parting, because I feel like the parting in a wig could either make or break the wig. I hate me a little small parting, right? It make it look so unnatural, so unrealistic. It's just awful, you know? So anytime a wig got a nice little 3 to 4 inch of Jesus, take the wig. I'm like, I get so excited, you know? So this one right here is not stingy with the parting at all. The cons is that I did have to manipulate it. I actually had to go in each track and kind of like shed it down a little bit, y'all, like kind of make it a little bit more not so poofy, because the texture is yaki, and you guys know that yaki is not really my favorite texture, but however, on this bob it really looks beautiful. So I really had to go in each track, and I just took like a an eyebrow razor. I didn't use like one of those actual razor shapers, because those sometimes could really cut your wig and make it look bad. So I just went in and I did that, and then I took my flat iron and I flat ironed it. And when you get that flat iron, sis, oh my gosh, like it really looks like your natural hair. Every time I put this on, I feel grown and sexy. Okay, I'm feeling like Michelle Obama up in here, you know? So it's just like one of those wigs you need to have. Like you really need to have this in your wig collection. And that's the only thing I did. And then, like I said, I tweezed and plucked the parting so I can get it to my natural desire. But other than that, those are the only cons. Like the pros is I love the construction. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps, so the wig will always be secured. And I love the, with it being yaki and yaki not being my favorite texture, it's really not that bad. Like, I hate when hair gets stuck in your lip gloss. It's really not that bad. Like, I really can't complain. I really do love this unit, and it's so low maintenance. Like I literally just washed it this morning, and I had it outside, air dried for like 1 hour, came back and flat ironed this, and now I plopped it on my head and I'm doing a wig review at hand. So you know, it's just one of those wigs that you just need to have. Let's just say like maybe you have a day party to go to with your girls and you just really don't know what to do with your hair. Yeah, this is one of them. It gives you a classy, sophisticated look. It comes with that, I love the cut of this wig. Like it comes with that little asymmetric here. Make I show you the back. And then, you know, the back is just nice. I don't know if I bumped it. If I didn't, oh well, but y'all get the gist. I really wanted to do this review because it's just been long overdue, and like I said, you guys do ask me, and it's not that I'm trying to be mean, y'all. Like I really want to feel out the wig before I just come on here and just be like, yeah, it's nice, and it's not, you know. So if I was to give this wig on a scale from 1 to 10, I would give it a 20. That's how much I love it. Like it has the right amount of shine, it has the right amount of density, it just has the right amount of sexiness to it. Like you don't even gotta do too much. You just put on a nice sexy top, plop this on your head, you know, do a little flat iron, and you just go. Like wigs like this is hard to come across, so if you have one, treasure it and take care of it, okay? And it could go up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's also good. And yeah, it's just a really bomb unit. If you cannot get your hand on Yara, I would definitely recommend this wig. And that's all I really have to say about it, guys. Go out and get it. I will leave the link down in my description box, and let me know if you guys purchase it. Send me some pics. I want to see how fly you look, sis, because as you can see, I love it. I don't know, I think I might buy me another one just if this one get old and matter. So thank you guys so much for watching. Always remember to stay blessed, stay safe, stay positive, and I really appreciate my subscriber base is really growing. I hate using that word, y'all like my family, but the VASHINE Squad is going up, and I'm so happy. Like, I appreciate each and every one of you all. So until next time, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye. It would never be Vash without Afro beats. Like, I swear. It doesn't make any sense for me not to do this now. So
Girl, I have a question to ask you today. Is your Jeje? It's not. Girl, I don't have a